Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 21 to 27, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So, let's see what's coming to you, Cancer, August 21 to 27, 2023. This is your energy. Wow, Ten of Pentacles. This is having the things that you need, like material things, money. Maaring meron kang marireceive na money na hinihintay mo ngayong week na to. So this is your challenge, Cancer. Your challenge is how to gain wisdom. Wisdom from your situation, yung mga experiences mo, and also to get a mentor or have a mentor na tutulong sa'yo na mag-improve pa sa buhay. No? This can be sa career mo or even simple things about life, like yung mga life coach na ganyan na nakaka-resonate ka, na nagsishare ng kanilang mga ideas about life, na somehow nakakapag-encourage sa'yo na to experience more. Let's see your opportunity. Your opportunity is the Justice card. So this is balance. Balancing your life, your situation. Maaring you've been so busy in the past days na wala ka masyadong oras para sa sarili mo or sa ibang bagay na importante rin sa'yo. So, you have the opportunity this week to, make time for other things that are also important sa buhay mo. And your blessing is the Eight of Cups. Finally having the courage to go to the direction na kung saan nandun yung passion mo. Yes. And leave a situation na alam mong it's no longer serving your highest good, your highest purpose. Hindi na siya fulfilling. So, anything na hindi na fulfilling for you, you are going to leave that situation. So, tinan natin yung Ten of Pentacles. What is the Ten of Pentacles? The Fool. Ooh. This is a new opportunity for you, a potential, start of an exciting things, new beginnings, in terms of your career or business. Meron kang susubukang bagong opportunity related to business. Lalo na kung nagkaroon ka na ng fulfillment sa isa mong pinagkakaabalahan sa career mo. Let's say, for example, fulfilled ka na sa trabaho mo or sa business mo, and then you want to find a new purpose or bagong pagkakaabalahan. What is the Hierophant? You have the Ace of Cups. Yeah, something that will inspire you, will make you feel good about yourself. I think as a challenge, parang hinahanap mo kung ano pa yung purpose mo sa buhay, kung ano pa yung pwede mong ma-experience, ma-feel, or ma-share sa ibang tao. What is the Justice card? You have the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is the strength to handle any situation na medyo stressful or yung may pressure, no? So I think you have the opportunity to work under pressure and to explore new opportunities kahit na alam mong mahirap. What is the Eight of Cups? The Four of Wands. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, Cancer, nahanap nyo talaga yung happiness, yung fulfillment. Kasi, minsan, di ba, akala natin, pag na-achieve na natin ang a certain level na ito or isang bagay na goal natin, akala natin doon na matatapos yung fulfillment eh. Magiging fulfilled na tayo. But then, pag na-achieve na natin yon, at some point, magiging masaya tayo. But, there are times na parang you will feel bored na, ano pa, what's next? Parang ganun. So, I think you are looking for something na magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment, ng satisfaction. Yung iba sa inyo, lilipat ng bahay, pupunta sa ibang lugar para i-check mo yung area if this place will, give you new experiences. Kasi we're here to evolve. We're here to experience different things. Truth to be told. There is may katotohanan kang marirealize about yourself. This is also wisdom and knowledge, no? So, you are becoming more mature. You're gaining a lot of wisdom. All that glitters, yes. So, hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. So, what I'm seeing here is, maaring meron kayong mga na-achieve na akala nyo magiging masaya na kayo doon or fulfilled. But, you did not. Maaring pansamantala lang. So, you are still in search for something that will fulfill your passion. Let's see for, kuha pa tayo ng ibang wait lang. Okay. Ganon. So, akala nyo siguro pag nandun na kayo sa isang sitwasyon na yon, okay na lahat, diba? Minsan sabihin natin, makuha ko lang yun, masaya na ako, kontento na ako. Pero actually, pag nakuha nyo yun, you will still be wanting for more. Yes, you will still be wanting for riches. You have Saturn in Capricorn in the 10th house. So, hindi siya ganun kadaling makuha kasi Saturn is about discipline and structure and timing. So, maaring kailangan mo pa rin mag-exert ng effort. And Saturn is also about karma. So, whatever you are putting out there, yun rin yung ibabalik sa'yo. So, if you are wanting na makakuha ng the most out of your goal, then you have to be, giving your best. You have Venus in Aries in the first house. Parang meron pa kayong ibang mga gusto na parang, how can I explain this? Lusting for something na pwedeng akala nyo doon kayo mas magiging fulfilled, but it's the other way around. Yung iba, medyo makamundo. Medyo may pagka-selfish na focus lang sa sarili mong fulfillment. But of course, lahat naman tayo want to be fulfilled on our own. But remember na maraming bagay na kailangan rin nating i-share sa iba. We are here for others, not just for ourselves. Diba may kanta nga, nang walang sino man ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. So sa career ninyo, you are going to have an upgrade. Merong status dito ng upgrade. Some of you are getting a promotion. Yung mga may goals ngayon na makakuha ng promotion. Or pwede rin naman na ikaw na yung magiging boss. Magkakaroon ka na ng bago mong business. Yes, with the star card, this is your dreams. The Hierophant. And the Lovers. Wow! Alam nyo, Cancer, sa career nyo, some of you are leaning towards your destiny. Oo. Maaring meron ditong commitment na papasukin ka sa career mo na kung saan magiging worth it yung commitment na yan. Kasi the more na nagko-commit ka doon, the more na ibinibigay sa'yo yung blessing na dinideserve mo. So, sa love naman, Forgiveness. You are going to forgive someone. Pwedeng sarili mo, pwedeng ibang tao. Something that you need to release from the past para hindi mabigat na yung dadalhin mo. 'Di ba? Lalo na if you are starting something new, like starting a new life. Yes, with the Three of Cups, you will be focusing more on, connecting with your friends, going out. You have the Five of Wands. I see someone here na medyo naging competitive sa'yo. Can be a friend. But eventually, I think magkakaayos kayo dyan. Pwede nagkaroon kayo ng issue, ng miscommunication, misunderstanding. But magkakaayos. Kasi mananaig ang inyong pagkakaibigan, yung pinagsamahan ninyo. Remember to practice self-love. Yes. So, yeah. This is about taking care of yourself, nurturing yourself. Hindi lang laging ibang tao yung iisipin mo, but to look after yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.